My dear student friend, in front of you 45D10, very detailed large-scale topographical map topo sheet based on Survey of the Land by Survey of India, which shows smaller areas on the ground in greater detail, बहुत गौर से देखो ढेर सारा लाइन curve line, broken line, zigzag also. Friend, lines running from north to south. Yes, north to south. Straight red color, vertical line. देखा? Called stakes indicate a distance east of the origin of the grid reference. Okay, friend, origin of the grid reference, which means the southwest corner of the map. Okay, and red horizontal straight lines running from east to west. Yes, east to west, and indicate the distance north of the origin of the grid reference, called northings. These structure of intersecting vertical and horizontal lines practically the heart of topo sheet, and it is my today's topic. Most welcome friend, most welcome to reality. Friend, stings and northings are numbered, marked in a specific sequence. Stings increase numerically eastwards. देखो 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 है ना? Locate the numbers along the top or bottom edge of the map. Follow the lines from the left to right. The numbers will increase, indicating you are moving east. लगेगा सीधा खड़ा होकर तुम along the corridor चल रहे हो. देखो. Simultaneously, northings locate the numbers on the left to right margins of the map. 03, 04, 05, 06 and so on. Numbers will increase as you move towards the top of the map. Northwards. लगेगा तुम सीढ़ी चढ़ रहे हो. Up the stairs. क्या सोच रहे हो फ्रेंड? हर एक टोपो शीट के लिए एक ही नंबर रहेगा या नहीं? यही तो. नो, नहीं रहेगा. चेंज हो जाएगा. अब तुम्हारे सामने टोपो शीट नंबर 45D7. Stings red vertical line 81, 82, 83, etc. है ना? And northings red horizontal line 89, 90, 91, 92, etc. Okay. टोपो शीट नंबर के साथ ही हर एक stings and northings lines is a special and special its identity. तुम्हारे सामने एक structure. देखो तो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ या नहीं? Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is the name given to the solid vertical lines of the grid? Question number 2. What do these vertical lines indicate? Question number 3. What is the name given to the dotted horizontal lines of the grid? Question number 4. What is the purpose of these horizontal lines? Question number 5. Name any two stings and any two northings. फ्रेंड, तुम जरूर नोटिस किए होंगे क्वेश्चन बताते बताते मैंने वर्ड ग्रिड यूज कर रहे थे. Actually, stings and northings are perpendicular grid line on a topo sheet. I think you know. A line is said to be perpendicular to another line if the two lines intersect at a right angle explicitly. A first line is perpendicular to a second line if the two lines meet and at the point of intersection, the straight angle on one side of the first line is cut by the second line into two congruent angles. Okay, so stings and northings are perpendicular grid lines that intersect at right angles 90 degrees to form a grid. And friend, they form a coordinate system, based on stings and northings. नाम क्या है इसका? 4 figure grid reference. लिखोगे कैसे? Along the corridor. जाते जाते 2 नंबर मिला था stings. And then जब सीढ़ी चढ़ रहे थे up the stairs, तब मिला था और 2 नंबर्स northings के लिए. मिलाकर 4 figure grid reference. Okay. In ICSE and CBSE geography, topo data is based on a standard scale of 2 cm is to 1 km. पूछो मो स्केल तो 1 is to 50,000, तो ग्रिड स्केल 2 cm is to 1 km कैसे हो गया? No friend, 2 cm is to 1 km means each small grid square on your topo sheet measures 2 cm into 2 cm and represents a ground area of 1 km into 1 km. And ये तो तुम्हारा ही स्केल 1 is to 50,000. पूछो कैसे? My dear very intelligent student friend. There is a direct and essential relationship between 1 is to 50,000 scale and 2 cm into 2 cm equal to 1 km into 1 km grid system. देखो 1 is to 50,000 scale means 1 cm on the map represents 50,000 cm on the ground. 50,000 cm is equal to 500 meters due to metric conversion. 50,000 divided by 100 since 100 cm equal to 1 meter. So 500 meters or 0.5 km is our result. Okay? Therefore, 1 cm equal to 0.5 km. Take. Since 1 cm equal to 0.5 km, it follows the 2 cm on the map represents 1 km due to 2 into 0.5 km. A grid box measures 2 cm into 2 cm on the map represents an area of 1 km into 1 km on the ground. इससे ये भी तुम समझ गए होंगे each Sting's line is 2 cm apart from the next. This distance represents 1 km on the ground. And together with northings, these red grid lines create 2 cm into 2 cm square that represents an area of 1 km into 1 km. Clear, friend? Now, direct board exam paper set. Answer the following questions on the survey sheet number 45D10, Stings 10 to 18, Northings 03 to 14. Give the 4-figure grid reference of the village Dawani. Yes, friend, topo sheet number दिया जाएगा. ये भी बोला जाएगा कि village Dawani Stings 10 to 18 and Northings 03 to 14 के अंदर ही मिलेगा. Okay, चलो फिर एक बार वही डायग्राम एट प्रेजेंट ऑन योर स्क्रीन जो है देखोगी, क्योंकि कैसे फाइंड करोगे दैट प्लेस जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया. ओके, ये डायग्राम के लिए तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन होगा गिव द 4-figure grid reference of a point P. Remember it, friend. In the 4-figure grid reference, the first 2 figures are the stings. तो along the corridor तुम चलते रहो. In this case 75, 76, 77, 78. हाँ, यहीं पर एक कंफ्यूजन हो भी सकता है क्योंकि 77 या 78 both are nearest point P का है ना? No, friend. The stings that lies to the left of the object. Left of the object. Object means यहीं पर point P. That means the point which you want to find. So stings 77 is correct. And in the 4-figure grid reference, the last 2 are northings. So चलते रहो up the stairs. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Same confusion. यहीं पर भी होगा friend. 23 होगा या 24 northings. कौन सा होगा? The northings that lies below the object. Lies below the object. That means in this case 23. Okay. The answer is 4-figure grid reference of point P is 77, 23. अब तुम्हारे लिए क्वेश्चन. Give the 4-figure grid reference of point Q. Okay. Friend, आंसर ऑप्शन में भी दिया जा सकता है. कैलकुलेशन सही रखना होगा। ओके ना फ्रेंड? नाउ फिर एक बार 45D टैब। Village Dawali. Village, actually settlement. All types of settlements, including permanent houses, temporary huts, and general buildings, are shown in red dot box, rectangle-like structure. Yet, remember it, friend. Plain lands suitable for agriculture is colored with a yellowish, while forests are shown using a green color tint. ओके, येलो कलर में आओ। देखो 12, 14, मिडिल में 13 होगा, 14, 16, मिडिल में 15 होगा। ऐसे कभी कभी स्किप करके प्रिंट हो सकता है। ओके, रेड कलर बॉक्स टाइप भी है यहीं पर, दवारी लिखा भी है। तो बताओ स्टिंग्स 13 या 14 होगा? 13 होगा, क्योंकि 13 left of the object, in this case village Dawali. And Nordings 13 या 14 होगा? Yeah friend, below the object, that is 13. Answer is 13, 13. Four-figure grid reference of a village Dawali is 13, 13. अब तुम्हारे लिए friend. Give the four-figure grid reference of Kalia Dungar. Friend, Survey of India map sheet 45D10. Kalia Dungar represents a hilly features or mountainous ridge. Dungar is a local term for a hill or a mount. Okay? कैसा लगा friend? Any confusion? Feel free to comment down below. Realizing always with you. Bye bye.